Now I'm going to go left on 1st Street. This is the street where the Robinsons live. That glowing flame that you just saw above the treetops is the methane burning off at the refinery. Flame's a lot bigger tonight than I've seen. Hopefully I don't wake up to a charred town in the morning. To work around some road construction here. One more block over and we should be good. Now we're back over to 1st Street. The roads in town are right on level with Peoria's roads. Should say Illinois roads. This area of town has gone downhill pretty much since '07. The poor area of town was the east side, over by the hotel, but that's where all the flooding occurred back in 2007. So when that occurred, all the houses were just torn down and the poorer people moved west in town, and it's just caused the neighborhood to go downhill. Still not bad though. You'll start seeing the refinery here on the left burning off a lot tonight. Never seen the fire that big up top of the tower. It's pretty though. It's neat to be in a town with all the industries that are here, especially a town that's so small. We got a train starting to move out. Good thing we got here when we did. Here's the refinery. Looks pretty neat, all lit up at night. of water here tonight. Hasn't rained. And here we are back to home. So, hope everyone enjoyed this little bit of a tour. If you have any questions about what you saw, or something you saw along the way that I didn't mention, let me know. And I'll either go get more pictures of it, or video, or address your questions. And I hope to give a couple more tours of around town. Commute to work, that kind of stuff, and go from there. So I hope I can get this all posted up onto YouTube, since it's going to be pretty long, and if not, I'll find some way to get it out to everyone. Have a good one. Hope to see you guys soon.